What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, it's just going to be very simple and pretty short, and it's going to be super duper duper effective. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to show you a natural ingredient that would help you to tighten up your vajayjay, as in you are going to be like a virgin again, because it's just going to help you in tightening up those areas, and you're not going to be having itchy, and you're not going to be having any bad odor. Okay, so that is actually what we need so much. So that's why I'm like, okay, I need to show you this, because it's actually very natural, very simple, and also very effective. So if you did love this video, please don't you forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video to share some knowledge. And let's dive into making this wonderful natural vajayjay tightening remedy. Alright guys, so for this we're gonna be needing fresh aloe vera, and as you can see, I just harvested my aloe vera from my aloe vera farm. Okay, and this is what we're gonna be using for this. Okay, and we're gonna be using some other natural ingredients that would give us the utmost effect of what we are looking for. Okay, using aloe vera helps to reduce frequency and appearances of acne on the skin. You guys will probably know that. And it's also helped to reduce dermatitis. Using it on the private area would help to, you know, make it lighter, and it will also make it tighter. Okay, and the next one we're going to be needing, which is very important and very relevant also, is coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is vast. Coconut oil contains a natural antibacterial, and it also contains a natural antifungal. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer. Okay, so using coconut oil with aloe vera is just gonna help the skin hydrate. It's gonna lighten up the inner thigh, and it's just gonna make your vajay very tight. Okay, because the help of aloe vera and also coconut oil is just gonna make it wonderful. Okay, all right guys, so you can actually use one full aloe vera, but for me, I'm just going to be cutting this into two. Okay, so you can use enough of it. Then you're just going to prepare it. Okay, and this is basically how you're just going to prepare your aloe vera. Okay, to get the gel, you're just going to slightly and gently remove the peel. Okay, so you can have enough of the gel. Alright, so I'm just gonna be scooping out the aloe vera gel into the bowl in cubes or in slice, just like that. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Aloe vera is one great ingredient. Okay, and it's lovely. Okay, alright, so what you're gonna do here is either you're just going to mash all of this wonderful ingredients, or you're just gonna go blend it, guys. For me, I don't think I would have the time to just mash it for it to be pretty smooth, so I'm gonna go mash it. Okay, so to blend this, I'll be turning that into a blender, and this can be very slimy. Okay, so I'm just gonna go blend it, and we're gonna be right back so to mix the other natural ingredients. Alright guys, so the aloe vera is ready, and now I'm gonna be turning that in, and this is just how it's just gonna look like. Although because it's actually not so much, so it didn't blend very well. Okay, if it was very much, it would have blended pretty good. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is to put in the coconut oil. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take half teaspoon of coconut oil, okay, or you can actually take 1 teaspoon though. You want to stir it, okay, so you mix it. So I'll recommend you just make sure that your aloe vera is pretty very smooth and it's super slimy. So what you do, guys, you're going to turn this into a jar, all right, and this is what you're just going to be using. Just a little pinch, apply it on your vag area, and this is actually going to help to, don't put it inside, guys, don't put it inside, just take a little like this, and then you apply it on top of that place, every place, okay. So you massage it till you don't have to feel any substance anymore, and then you will be noticing that, yeah, it's actually working pretty fine. You're just gonna do this every day for some couple of days, okay, and your vag is going to get tighter and you are going to be feeling as if you're virgin again. Like, seriously, this treatment is actually pretty good and very effective. It's as effective as that. You guys know that aloe vera is one wonderful natural home remedy that does a lot of stuff, okay. So